Hey guys, well look what the cat dragged in. It's Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And as promised, this is the second video of this unit out of a 73 Ford Falcon sent in by Guy in Western Australia. And since I've already done a complete functional test of the radio out of the chassis, I'm just doing a real quick final test with the radio in the chassis just to make sure I didn't mess anything up when I put the chassis back together. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I've got it set to FM at the moment.
Function of pure mathematics is more impactful and means
okay,
more
we'll just run across it out just a little bit.
Vote your local school.
And I really don't want to do much more than that, or I'll get nailed for copyright.
Everywhere you listen,
Just gonna keep. The song's very short. Oh, it helps to plug the antenna in better, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna test the virtual fader.
Fader adjust.
Okay. Check out our meters. Make sure we're doing our. Okay, all the way front, all the way rear. Okay, I'm gonna let it time out, and then I'm going to. Okay, now we're gonna adjust the virtual balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left, all the way right, left, right. Alrighty. Turn the music back down. Okay, put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Alrighty, now let's check out our USB stick reader. Make sure it reads my USB stick. Got my radio. We don't need these meters anymore. Got my radio commercial right here. Gonna play a few seconds of it.
Classic ride, got a Mustang, but it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track deck's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay, that song I could play its in its entirety because I composed it, recorded it, and produced it, and I own the copyright. Yes, I am the actual copyright owner of music played on YouTube. You probably haven't seen that yet. So, I think we've tested everything but the 8-track, so let's go test that real quick. Got some Neil Sedek on deck here. Switch tracks a bunch of times.
Come on, baby, let's kiss and make love in my dream world. You are my dream.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, that's the lady saying that the Bluetooth pairing did not complete because we didn't have a portable device to pair it to. Okay, at the end of a song there. Alright, pull out the tape, and the radio comes back, and that is it. We've tested everything on the unit. She's ready to go, and I'm ready to get on to the next job completion, and thus the video for that. So I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for watching and listening, guys. Of course, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an ancient old AM 8-track unit. We can add Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, aux input, master input output box if you want to use your 4-channel and subwoofer preamp outputs, and who knows what else will be available by the time you're ready to hire me. So thanks so much for watching, listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.